Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 legitimate websites where you can make money from home online for free. Now, I'm always talking about different businesses that you can start on this channel, but I know everyone is not trying to start a business. They just want to figure out how in the world can I make money from home. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. Now, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Whitney Bonds, and I created the website Tried and True Mom Jobs, and it's a website designed to share with people how you can make money from home from people who are actually doing it today, tried and true. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share some things that I have never shared before all in one video, so I think you guys are going to be in for a treat. And if you guys stick around until the end, I'm going to show you the website that earned me thousands. Now, if you guys learned anything out of this video, I would love it if you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you guys do not miss out on another video. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first website on this list is a company called Respondent, and I have used them before, and that's why I recommend them to you guys because they are legitimate. Now, I'm not going to mention any surveys on this video because, surveys are nice, but that's only enough money to get you a cup of coffee or something like that. Now, I'm going to show you right now online how it all works. Okay, so this is the website called Respondent. Now, I'm already logged in here, but I'm going to go into a screen right now where you can see it for the first time. So if you log into Respondent, you can go ahead and just see, you want to go into participants. Now, what this is a research study. So this is where you can get paid for different studies that other companies are searching for. So I'm going to show you how it all works. So I'm going to go ahead right here and log in, and you're going to be called a participant login. So once you're logged in, this is what you're going to see right here. I'm going to just briefly show you how this all works. So once you put in your information, they're going to have a list of paid surveys that you can decide which one you probably are the best fit for. Now, if you can see, just look at the numbers right here. This one is for $100, $150, $50, $25, $35. I've probably 25 is probably going to be the lowest on here because these are okay, or 20. So if you just see these, this is $150 for 90 minutes for a focus group, and these are all mostly remote. And they just talk about what this is. So it says, we are seeking consumers for an online video study for oral care to talk about your teeth. So you can go ahead and just click on that. You start the screen and then you go through the questions to see if you're a good fit. And if you are, they're going to match you up, and then you go ahead and complete the research study, and then you get paid. And the way you get paid is through PayPal. So if you're okay with that, definitely consider this as a great way to make some extra money on the side. The next company on this list is a company called User Interviews. Now, they don't pay as well as Respondent, but they do pay really good as well. Now, let's look at this on the screen as well. So these are paid research studies. So just like Respondent, you're going to fill out your information, get a profile, and then you can just see right here, $60 for 45 minutes, $30 for 45 minutes. So this is much better than wasting your time on surveys that you're going to spend an hour on for just $1. So I highly recommend you guys check out User Interviews as another way to make some extra money from home and just see which ones that you are a good fit for. This is just some easy money that you can do at your convenience. That's why I highly promote these, because these are legitimate websites where you guys really can make a nice amount of money from home. Extra money. And I'm going to show you guys some other tips in a second, so make sure you guys stay tuned because the last website on this list, this made me the most money. All right, now the next company on this list is a company that reached out to me, and I actually know the hiring manager. That's why I know this is legit, and I know this is a great way that you guys can make money from home, because this job is completely on your own schedule. You only have to work 10 hours a week, and you work whenever you are available to do these hours. As long as you can get it in within the week, then you're fine. That's what makes this so attractive. Now, the downfall to this job is that it doesn't pay very well, because you're gonna be getting paid around $11 to $14 an hour. And that's not a lot, but that is definitely a way that you just can make some nice extra money on the side while you're still pursuing something else. So just something to consider. So I wanted to tell you guys about this because I do know the hiring manager, and I know that this is actually a legit company. Now, I'm going to leave the links in this video in the description below just so you guys can have access to all of these. But this is what the application form looks like. And this one right here is a U.S. online task contributor. So this is only for U.S. applicants, but the job description is right here. And I'm going to put the links in the description below, like I said. But just for example, these are just the main requirements. This honestly doesn't require you to have any experience, but they do want you just to make sure that you are fluent in written and verbal English. You must be living in the United States for the last 3 consecutive years. You must own a desktop or laptop, have an Android or iPhone, and just things like that. These are things that most people have. So I just want you guys to look at this, see if you qualify. And if you do, definitely apply, because this is another great way that you guys can make money from home on the side on your own schedule. Now, the next company on this list is a company called ACX. Now, I love this idea if you have a really good voice. Now, I don't think I had the kind of voice where I would want someone would want to be listening to my voice while reading a book. But if you have a nice voice, you should definitely consider this. Now, what I'm talking about is audiobooks. So if you've ever heard audiobooks, those are people actually acting with their voice. So basically what you're going to be doing is reading other people's books, and you're going to be making money from it. And I did a whole entire video on it because there's a lot more that goes into it, and I don't want to go over it in this video. But if you are interested in this, I highly recommend watching that video. But really quickly, I will show you how it works. So for example, this is the website right here. And what you would do is go to, are you an actor or producer? So you would say yes. And then you would go to find a book for your voice. So you're basically just looking through all the different options on here. And what I like about this is that you can use a filter. So you can filter by compensation. So you can see that says $50 to $100 PFH, $100 to $200 PFH. Now this is per finished hour. And I go more in detail about what this actually means in the video. So that's why I recommend you watch that. But they have royalty shares and royalty share plus. So you can filter by whatever you want and just to see what options are available. So I highly recommend just going through these kind of different kind of books, looking to see if there's anything that you would want to do, because this is a great way that you guys can make money from home on your own time. Okay, last but not least is a company that I have used that has made me thousands, and it's a company called Upwork. Now what Upwork is, it's a freelance website. So what it is that businesses come to Upwork, they put in jobs that they need help with for their business for people like me, like a virtual assistant jobs. They may need help in administrative duties, or they need someone to help them with their website or graphic design. You know, honestly, the list goes on and on when it comes to Upwork, and it's really jobs for anyone. So what I want you guys to do is just think about some of the things that you're good at or you want to learn more about, and then see what jobs are available. And I'm going to show you on the computer what I do and the criteria that I use when I'm looking for a job and what I do before I apply for each job. So here's how it looks. Okay, so this is my Upwork profile. I'm just going to go right here to Upwork just so you can see what it looks like once you put all your information in. Now, I put all my information in already, so what you want to do is you want to get your profile to at least 80% complete when you're just getting started. Now, I'm just going to say, even if you guys do not have any references or reviews, it is okay. I want to show you this trick that I use to get my first job. But basically what I do when I'm looking for jobs on Upwork, I go to find work, and then they give you a list of jobs that you've already told them that you're kind of interested in. So what I do is I'm always looking for making sure that they have a payment verified. I do not deal with anyone that does not have this because I am not trying to get scammed. I do not want to do any work and not get paid for it. So this just gives me a little confidence that this is a legitimate company. Now what I also do is I always make sure that they already offer how much this position is going for. I do not like positions that do not let you know at least what they have in their budget, because I don't want to just be getting underpaid for something that I know I should be getting paid more for, and I want to go into this with my eyes wide open. So what I look for is to see what the job is going for. I like to see if they have a payment verified, and I also look at the proposals right here. I want to make sure that it's not very competitive. So if it's less than 5, that means that only 5 people or less than 5 people have actually sent in a job offer for that position. So that is very attractive to me because I know that that is not that many people, and I probably could do much better than them. So what I do, I only apply to those jobs that have a less than 5, and I also see when did they post the position. Now this is posted in 15 minutes ago. So what I would do is apply for that immediately if that was something that I knew I could do well in. You guys also want to do that too. Make sure you only apply for things that you can do well in, because you want to get a good review so you can get a good rating to keep you getting more jobs. So don't try and do things that you know that's probably out of your wheelhouse. Those are some of my tips for Upwork. Now the way that I was able to get my first job is that I did not have any reviews or references. What I had to do was I actually offered my services for free for 1 week. I said, I know I can do this job for you, and just to prove myself, I don't want you to pay me anything. I want to do the work for you, show you how capable I am of doing the job and doing a great job at it. And I want you to feel confident in that before you actually pay me. And she agreed to it, and we had a great relationship. And that was how I was able to make thousands from this platform from just that one client. So I highly recommend using Upwork as a way to make money from home and doing it on your own schedule. That's another thing that I love about this, is that these are freelance jobs. You work around your own schedule and you get paid based on the contract that you have with your client. So I highly recommend Upwork as one of the best ways that you guys can make money from home because there are so many options out there. And I just love talking about Upwork because it's how I was able to get my make my first money online. So if you guys have any other questions about Upwork, just let me know and I'm happy to answer them. Also, I did want to mention that I have companies all the time reaching out to me because of my website for other work from home positions. So companies are saying, hey, I have these work from home positions available. Do you know anyone? And I only send those out to my email list. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my email list so you get notified whenever that I do get notified from a company about a new position that's available. So I'm going to put my link in the description below so you guys can check that out. And make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my email list because I got some good stuff coming your way and you don't want to miss out. Also, if you want some more options on just ways to make money from home, definitely check out my article I did on 30 ways to make money from home, just so you know what all your options are. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.